Hello everyone! Let's learn how to make this beautiful clock together. I'm using the amazing products from Craft Resin because their resin and pigments are seriously top quality. Honestly, investing in good resin makes all difference. It gives you a flawless and professional finish, just like Craft Resin. But when it comes to mold, you can totally save money and make your own. Just like this Play-Doh. Let's see how it goes. Once you've shaped your design, use your fingers to press and spread the Play-Doh around the edges so it sticks tightly to the silicone base. Test it to make sure it's sealed properly with no gaps. For the first layer, which is the main base, I mixed 200 ml of resin and divided it into 6 parts. I want my clock to have a natural stone look, something between marble and agate, so I'm just adding small amounts of pigments to each part. And note that one of cups is clear resin. Then I mix a bit of all the colors together in a separate cup. Swirl gently with a toothpick. Don't blend, just marble it a bit. As you can see in the video, I'm pouring the colors randomly into the mold to create that organic stone-like pattern. After 12 hours, I added a second layer with 60 ml of resin. Well, after 24 hours, it's time to demould. Let's do this together. Wow. I love the result. Look at how glossy it is. Turns out the Play-Doh mold dried out after some time and exposure to air, and it was a bit hard to peel off from the resin piece. So yeah, this method is more of a one-time use kind of thing. I removed as much of the dough as I could and then sanded the edges. I think it turned out really nice. Now it's time to painting the edges with varnish and gold metallic powder pigment. And here it is, our beautiful handmade resin desk clock.